Overthinking, Divine Collective. We're getting the Nine of Swords. The Nine of Swords is speaking of overthinking in this reading. Worry, anxiety, and fear are lying to you. Okay? Someone is losing sleep over karma here. Release fear and stress. Speak to God. You are not alone, Divine Collective. The Magician is here. Clarify. There's family members involved. An air sign. Someone is trying to spiritually infiltrate your dream state, Divine Collective. Manipulating messages here. I'm getting protesters. Protesters. There's a secret here that you were never supposed to find out, I'm hearing. Someone gave you the cold shoulder. They pushed you away. Spirit says you are the trap set. They thought they set a trap for you, and you were the trap set all along, Divine Collective. There's a karmic Libra here that I'm picking up on. A karmic Libra. Yeah, an air sign. Karmic Libra, Divine Collective, confirmation. Someone here wants to reconnect with you now that they see you glowing here. You've had a glow up, Divine Collective. You could be traveling, vacationing. Your money is looking really good in this reading, Divine Collective. I'm getting relocation. Spirit says you cannot curse what is protected. Someone here tried to curse you, I'm being told. You are divinely protected. I'm getting a rapid source of wealth here. Material success as well. Rapid source of wealth. Clarity will emerge. I'm also picking up on a high vibrational relationship, Divine Collective. A lot of you are going into these high vibrational relationships. A lot of wealth. A lot of wealth. And a lot of you are gaining clarity here. That you cannot be cursed. You are divinely protected. These people that have done you wrong, Divine Collective, Spirit says that their karma is that they're ending up with people who are 10 times worse than they are, okay? Someone here is in a relationship with a karmic who is 10 times more karmic than they are, Divine Collective. Imagine that. They're very unhappy. Very unhappy, Spirit is saying. There's a cheater here that's being exposed. Someone made a deal with the devil. Spirit says this is what it looks like when you make a deal with the devil. Someone is being advised against doing something or going somewhere. Okay, I heard don't do it. You're being advised against, Divine Collective. Okay, justice is here, contracts, legalities, accountability. There's evidence and truth surfacing. You've changed so much, I'm hearing. You've moved on here. You are completely committed to God, the divine, your purpose. That is what I'm picking up on. Meanwhile, someone is going through legalities here. They're a pedophile. Someone here is a pedophile, Divine Collective. Oh, something about a secret. Someone not wanting a secret to come out. Possibly that they're a pedophile. This may be someone who likes younger energies, Divine Collective. Tried to demonize you. I'm getting a pregnancy. I heard a karmic child. Someone may have even gotten oh, I don't even like this energy. Someone here may have gotten an underage child pregnant, Divine Collective, and they're trying to hide this from you or hiding a child from you. Someone's trying to suspend a case to a later time, okay? They wanted to use you as the scapegoat, Spirit says. Enemies are meddling in your private affairs, Divine Collective. Someone here became disappointed because they expected your downfall. Instead, you evolved, okay? So it's like you took all the bricks that these people were throwing at you. You took all those bricks and you built an empire, Divine Collective, okay? Intuitively. For a lot of you, you had no idea what it is that you were even doing or building. But intuitively, you were being hand-guided by your ancestors, by God himself, okay? Let karma do what it does, Divine Collective. You don't have to lift a finger, Spirit says. Charlie Kirk is here. Spiritual warfare waged against you, I'm hearing. Pleadings, formal documents filed by parties. An entire investigation, Spirit is speaking of. Your ranking has increased. This is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. The Divine Collective is celebrating. I'm getting a romantic proposal. Abundance is on the way, Spirit is telling me. Engagement, announcement, congratulations. Someone here wants something that belongs to you. This is a false divine masculine, I'm hearing. Something about a disease. What's this about a disease, Spirit? Someone is refusing treatment. They're sick and they're refusing treatment. They have some type of disease here. They're not happy about a pregnancy. Someone is fighting someone here. This is a mess, Divine Collective. I feel like I'm on an episode of Jerry Springer. What is going on? Someone is refusing treatment, Spirit says. Possibly because they're refusing to believe that they're sick from everything that they did to you or sent to you, Divine Collective. Aries. Every reading I get in Aries. Every single reading. Tried to create barriers to keep you stuck. 7:29 on the clock. I'm getting Michael Jackson in this reading, Divine Collective. Someone was advised against doing this. They didn't listen. Advised against doing this. They didn't listen. There's some type of deception here being exposed. Continue healing, Divine Collective. I heard flee the scene. Flee the scene. You are spiritually protected, Chosen One. I'm speaking to the Chosen One. Someone here is playing with fire for sure. Okay, they're about to get a rude awakening, Spirit says. Because you are someone who doesn't seek approval or validation. I'm getting a demonic entity, Divine Collective. Someone who's very obsessive, sexually attracted to you. This is someone who is delusional, Spirit is telling me. This is a pedophile, okay? Obsessive, demonic entity. What is real will remain, Spirit says. You are someone with a beautiful heart, very pure, okay? And they want something that is yours so badly. What is it? They want your pure heart, Divine Collective? That has to be the delusion. Does someone think that they can have your pure heart and they're a demonic entity? Make that make sense. But again, whoever this is, they're very delusional, okay? So there's that. I mean, in all my years in the medical profession, Divine Collective, I've spoke to people that can convince you that they are someone else. You know, I've worked in all areas of the hospital, psychiatry. I absolutely loved working on that floor and interacting with these individuals, okay? I would study them, the things they would say, the way they would say it, their energy. This was way before I was who I am, Divine Collective, and I found it so fascinating, right? Because they really believed in what they were saying, okay?